Because we have here square root, first I will rewrite this expression to power form. So it will be y equals x to power 1/2 to power x. So this is equal x to power, we have power to power, so it will be 1/2 times x power. Because we have variable in the base and in the exponent, first we have to take natural log of both sides of our equation. Let me rewrite this. We have y equals x to power 1/2 times x. Now we take on both sides natural log, so we will have natural log of y times natural log of x to 1/2 times x power. So now we can use properties of log, so this is equal 1/2 times x times natural log of x. So we can write our equation, natural log of y is equal 1/2 times x times natural log of x. Now we will take derivative. So we have derivative of natural log of y is 1 over y times dy with respect to x. So this is equal, on the right side we have multiplication, so we have to use product rule. Let me remind you, when we have u times v prime, this is equal u prime times v plus u times v prime. In our case, u is equal 1/2 times x, v is equal natural log of x. So derivative of u is equal, derivative of 1/2 times x is 1/2, and derivative of natural log of x is equal 1 over x. So now we have to just substitute, so this formula. So we have on the right side 1/2 times natural log of x plus 1/2 times x times 1 over x. So x and x we can reduce. So we have 1 over y times dy over dx is equal 1/2 times natural log of x plus 1/2. Now we can multiply both sides by y. So we will have y and y we can reduce. So dy with respect to x is equal 1/2 natural log of x plus 1/2 times y. Y in our example is equal square root of x to x power. So we have dy over dx is equal, we can also factorize 1/2, so it will be 1/2, and in parentheses we have natural log of x plus 1 times, we have in parentheses square root of x to power x. This is my solution.